Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to very easily make a profit and loss, just like the one we're looking at here. Profit and loss is a fairly standard report that you're going to be trying to put together. It's very easy to do with Connectly, requires some time elements. We're going to be using the journals where all the financial information is. We're going to be using the net amount of reporting currency. And we're going to be making sure we select the right account codes. So first up, we're going to grab ourselves the matrix and just going to resize that a little bit. And we're going to be using the net amount, the reporting currency net amount from the journals. And we're going to put some date values in there. Select some financial years, fiscal years. And make sure those are on the columns, and also some months. So putting the months under the fiscal year will allow us to do that drill down that we saw in the beginning of the video. Now I'm selecting the group name, subgroup name, and the account name from the account views. So we get the different levels of the report. And one thing I need to do is make sure that the account view that we're using is the profit and loss view. This will make sure that we've got the right account codes available for the report. And there we are. Simple as that. So we're just checking the profit and loss here. You can see the numbers in Xero and the Xero report here for the financial year ending 2024. And that's lucky. No, it's not lucky. They are exactly the same as the ones building the report from the journals up, which means we should have exactly the same numbers no matter which way we cut it.